Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be just a short, quick little video because I was just printing a bunch of digitals that I recently purchased on Etsy, and there's this one Etsy store that I love. I discovered her last week, I can't remember, a few days ago, and I bought a bunch of sets that she is selling, and she was having a sale on the weekend, so I bought a bunch, and I just wanted to share with you guys what I bought. Her store, I'm gonna link the store in a video description below. I am not affiliated with her. I don't get any commission or anything. I'm just showing her stuff because I love it and I'm gonna buy more. And the price is pretty good. So I was looking for, actually I think I found her on Instagram, and I saw that she had mushroom stuff. These are the only mushroom images she had, so I bought them because I'm going to turn them into journaling cards for my mushroom journal that I've been working on. So I think those are so beautiful. Aren't those nice? And then these two, and I printed them in 4x6. And then she also has a bunch of nice tags. I love the birds. I printed some bigger and smaller, so you don't have to necessarily print the size that they're in because they're all 300 dpi, which is a good printing resolution, so you can just resize them as you need, like with every other digital collection you buy on Etsy. Yeah, and then she also has some Christmas ones, and I love those. They're so cute because I am going to work on a Christmas journal very soon. I'm still waiting on one thing that should be here in the mail, should be getting here in the mail tomorrow, and then I might start working on that journal. Actually, I'm waiting on two things. The other one, I don't know, hasn't even been shipped yet, but that's okay. I can still get started on my journal. So yeah, that was Creative Boutique, and like I said, I will link the link to her Etsy store in the description below. I bought a whole bunch of other ones, I just haven't printed them yet. So she does really nice stuff. And then there's another one that sells vintage images, and I bought the vintage Christmas set, and there's, I think, 75 images, so I haven't printed all of them. But my Christmas journal, maybe it's gonna be a December daily, I don't know yet, probably. I'm gonna do vintage Christmas because I love it, and obviously I'm gonna film that too, but I thought I could get started by printing some of the images, and I love those. They're so beautiful. Aren't those cool? And then I love the cute snowman and this little lady with her dog and a little kitty and some more candy canes and another Santa. And also the paper that I print on, because I know everyone always is looking for the right paper to print on. I've tried a whole bunch of different copy papers, and the one that I find works best for me, for my printer, is this one from Walmart, the Super Premium Bright. It works for inkjet and laser. I have an inkjet printer, and it's the 28 pound. I think the regular are like 24 pounds. But I compared this one to the regular copy paper. Let me get the other one. Hold on. Yeah, so I compared it to this one. Yeah, it's 20 pounds. And this one is fine when you just print like stuff for whatever, not for crafting necessarily. I love how it says jam resistant. But this one doesn't feel as nice as this one. I find this one is a better quality for at least for my prints. So Did I even open this one? I thought I did. Anyway, yeah. So if you're looking for a good paper, try this one, and it's not too expensive at Walmart. That's the Walmart's paper brand. I love it. Okay, so I just wanted to share those with you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching.